goes wide to the left.
Olsen the ball carrier. Wendell up
behind Luce. Quick count again. Gives it off to George. First man through.
George to the ball carrier, number 35.
Tackle made by the inside by Tony Gibbs. Third down.
Tony Gibson on the stop. And over the ball is on the 30-yard line.
Right side definitely goes to the left. He's coming through. Looks short.
First down.
10. Here's a quick count. He's off to it.
First down, George, the ball carrier, giving it back to the
Cross was hit early
by Ross and Harding.
The ball's in the middle of 4 yards. That'll be the second down count. He's back to throw. He's got time. Look to the right side.
Pass on this to Jeffrey complete. Jeffrey and the rim on the side. The ball.
Count. Pick up the first man to do it. That's penalty flag down. Throws it out. Incomplete.
Pass intended for
the penalty is going to be against the Cavaliers. Illegal procedure offside. I imagine it's why they follow the line penalty, which they will do.
procedure foul is 5. Making it 4th down and 5. 28 Ringer and 84 Albert Track State 3-story step.
Good punt was off the left side. Going to hit about the 30-yard line and roll forward, and it's going to be down at the 29-yard line. Why did they take the first to lose the ball game?
No. Wait.
Jumped offside. And a 5-yard penalty against the Cavaliers. That'll be the second down. It's going to be a second down and 4. Flag against the Cavaliers.
5-yard penalty against the Cavaliers.
Wilker. Sweet. Pitch on the yard. Gets around the corner. 35-4. Gets knocked down.
Number 41, Harding, the ball carrier. Brought down by number 53, Alex. First down, no fly. The ball is on the 31-yard line, out there.
He sets him down. Handoff goes for first man through. 40 back in. Picked up about 2 on.
That's the ball carrier. Brought down by Bruce, Eichler, and Harding.
Made by Green. Along with Harding.
A gain of about 2.
Pass is headed out there for Albers. Throwing this a little bit short.
Pass intended for Albers. Incomplete. Decided on the defense. 3rd down and 8.
Long count this time. Right side. Looks upfield. Goes to the sideline. Give him a stop.
Redkey's pass intended for 27 to 33. To receive.
35. Beautiful kill.
Burning and Grease on the tackle.
Behind this quick count. Pitch goes to Olsen. Pitch across at 25.
Ryan Olsen, the ball carrier, stopped by Holman.
Making the second down and 8.
And Burning.
Put off in Holman. Gets back behind this. Quick count again. Takes the first man. Deuce. On the draw play. Off to Olsen. He gets back.
Olsen around the area on the drive. Brought down by Arling and Hess.
Punting situation for Cavaliers as we
Turner back to receive.
good snap. Gets it off from the zone 20. Up on the road along to the tie. Fair catch called for and then taken by Elvis. Right up in his
Number
field.
28, Turner gets the ball. Rounds it on the foot.
And Elvis to the right side. Back to the stack again. Toby on the spot and tied in with this thing rule.
Ball down. Tommy with that.
Against the Flyers. Good field position. Mark them back 5 yards to 44.
He's really hurt the Flyers last week against their team. Scoring guys, scoring opportunities, and a couple of penalties that the Flyers on the field position. Darrell Quinter Wildrew for one of the Reds in the league.
Virtually brings us off. Wide to the right side. Count this time. Counterplay. Gets it off the top. Five at about the 47-yard line.
Toby ball there. Stopped by Alec and stopped by Gresham Center. Ball in Cavalier territory. Directly on the 45 right line. Arling ball there. Stopped by Roman. Official time for a measure. The Coldwater Booster Squad is holding their annual booster band tonight at Coldwater Lutheran Hall on October 13th from 9 o'clock to 12:30. All couples who went last year have until September 30th to claim their tickets. All September 30th, all interested persons have a chance to buy tickets. Number 31, Arlen ball there, stopped by Rookie. Along with Williams and Frankie.
On the long count this time. Goes to the right side. This is that ball go. Sets him down. Backs the snap. Long count. Toby gets it up across the 35.
Number 11, Toby.
By about 2 yards.
Brought down by Ike and Cooper.
First and 4, the Flyers going for it. Phillips Richie. Looks upfield. Looks for receiver.
Ricky Strasky and Peter Wilker.
Deuce puts him down. Quick count. Goes off to the right side. Looks for Bill.
Matthews Bridget for 36, Humble Ralph Steinbrenner. Number 83 on the receiving end of the loose pass. We will give away the ball at halftime. You are to report to the West Wing. Olsen is out there. Stop clock.
Right side. Stepping down, put it down again. Once, throws it out the right side. Good snap, good play.
Nate Springer at number 11.
Alan Dorn.
Situation. As soon as this period is over, 40 seconds to go in the first period. We'll check on the clock. At least we see Henry ball. Henry. Marked off all the way back to the 12-yard line, required to take over. Now taking the motion, kicks comes out the right side, gets it on
And number 84, Andrews. Sideline.
Yeah. And goes Toby again. Back to Bills. Pump towards the pump up the right side for Elvis. Going to be getting knocked down. They're going to be just a little bit short of the first down. Marking it down. Marking it about the 47, a little over 49 yard.
Number 84, pass complete to Elvis. Stopped by Kramer. 68 put off back in the front position.
Good snap.
No, they're wrong.
Full front. Left side and go out of bounds. Right.
Ball is running out of bounds on the 42-yard line.
Right. Left side.
Going out.
First man through the pitch. Goes out to
Pitch out to George.
first man through this time. It's Olsen. He gets knocked down at the 25-yard line.
Olsen off there. Kramer and Harden all on the side.
Left side. Deuce. Hands off the second man through. That's Olsen.
Number 80, Olsen off there. Stopped by Harden.
3 yards. Meyer making the play with the
And Hess.
Yes. Pretty short of that.
Kramer on the assist also. Bring up fourth down and 3. Back to receive. Robin brought back the punt. Rooms.
Left side. Long count by Berkey. Right side on the pitch.
Across the 45 to the 46-yard line.
Kobe goes in motion to the left side. He off the head side.
Pass it out there. Shot by Allen and Sebring on the Cavaliers'
Back step. Quick count this time. In the middle. Both running backs up here about the same time. What a defense for third. 74. The offensive line right back into the hand.
Number 15, to off there.
The offensive unit goes for a long count. Takes the first man. Fire around. That's Kobe. Gets it up across the 45.
Number 11, Toby, right there. Stopped by Allen. Pick up about
Long count. Kobe comes in
Yeah, I
motion.
just landed on him.
Now cuts upfield. Breaking that time. Comes up across the middle.
passing single to Allen, broken up by Kramer. Punt formation.
Good snap. Ball from about midfield. Punt will go off the left side, off the side of the foot. Hit and go out of bounds. Right around the 40-yard
Out of
line.
bounds line, and it goes out again.
The other day, Jeff Boston, they're sitting there, walking down.
Fakes the first man through on the pitch. Across the 35 and hit and knocked down right there.
Pitch out to Olsen.
Deuce gives it off the second man through. Across the 35 up to the 32-yard line.
Number 80, Olsen on there. Brought down by Hess and Limbo. And we have a lead.
Who are you? That's the question. Which one? No, I was all right on miles ago. Entering downfield and mount the seat.
George are out there.
We also had a premium play.
Shot by Gibson, Limbo, and Holman. 3-yard line.
First down there. The next play, they try to pass
7 seconds left in the half. The ball is on the 43-yard line of the Cavaliers.
Turkey sets him down. Look for first man through. That's Hess. Gets it up to about the 30-yard line. Getting knocked down. The tackle was made by
Next to the ball.
Hey, wait.
No one claimed the football prize, so we are going to have a second ticket. Anyone with this number, please come to the press box, and you will be given the football after the game. 028831.
About the 10-yard line.
Olsen Stick is down to Player, who brings it back out to Eichler. Come to the press box and bring your prize. Number 15, Norm Berkey on the keeper. Stopped by 58, Burns.
Sets him down. Cody goes in motion this time. Pitch goes to Cody. Coming to the other side.
Number 11, Cody the ball carrier. Kramer.
Left side. Field. He's got it. Complete. By Walker. 35. Still back. He's finally hit.
Pass completion number 89, Steve Wilker. 60-week pull-off in punt formation. Alex will be attempting the extra point. No holding.
Good snap. Good play.
The kicker is up to the right. No good. The score remains 13-0.
Play from the left side. Bill Holman got it.
Olsen will be kicking to Player and Toby.
Taken by Kramer again. Runs right up the left side. Cuts to the outside. Gets it up across the 25. Falls over to the bottom of the yard line.
Number 20, Player was picked up by
Sets down the offense. Goes to the wrong count this time. Rolls to the left side. Comes up across the middle. Hits Albert. Catches the ball and falls down immediately.
Turkey's pass was complete to Albers. Shot by
Right side. This time Albert goes to the left side. And off goes. Nice pitch. This is Harley. Across the 35.
number 31, Arling the ball carrier after the pitch out.
First down. Right side. That goes the first man through. That's Hess. I think he's going to knock down short of that first down.
That's the ball carrier. Stopped by Homer and Alec. Timeout, unofficial.
Yeah, the first one was bad.
Still nobody runs out football. Those guys are gone here. We're going to give away green football because we have a third 0-28895 is the third ticket here. Number 49 takes the ball carrier and Dresch on the shot.
Pitch, fakes it inside, puts it up, gets up to about the 10
Deuce on the keeper.
One on the play. Tackle was made by Russ Putoff. Pick up one
Pull up on the stop. Pick up a one.
Back to stack. Who's fumbled the football? Snooze can see who got it. Wide Flyers seem to think they got on it, but from what I could see, it looked like Deuce might have fell on the football. Before exchange from the center to the quarterback, the Deuce, the Cavaliers was able to fall on the football. Flyers off first might have had it, but Deuce was able to fall on the football. He had a loss of about 2 yards in the play. Bringing it back to the 12-yard line.
Third down, 9.
Back to throw. Olsen going through. Goes to the right side. Throws in the end zone. Throws it wide incomplete.
Pass intended for Horning.
It'll be a fourth and goal for the Cavaliers. Good snap. Good placement. And field goal line.
Snap. Going loose. Halftime score, St. Henry 7, Minster 13. Extraordinary diligence. In about 1 week, the tickets will go on sale at Sowers Department Store. And the proceeds will look at it.
Kick with the right side this time. Turn to take it again. Left to the middle of the field.
Trainer has got the ball back
The Flyers now down by a score of
to about the 23-yard line. Stop.
Around the offensive unit, goes to the long count. Toby comes in motion.
Norton Berkey, the ball carrier, sacked in the Kramer and Dresch second in the backfield.
The Cavaliers are being trying to penalty for going to procedure on Marion Local. Toby coming in action, trying to cut upfield before the snap.
And here the procedure declined by the Cavaliers. The sack brings the ball back to about the 12.
Down in 23. Berkey straight back to throw. Gets a little pressure. Trying to get out on the top of the pass. Falls incomplete. It's going to be third down.
Pass intended.
Berkey on a long count once again. Handoff goes. First man through. No, he keeps it tucked in. Gets started on the fifth. Gets up to about the 15-yard line where he steps out of bounds. That's about 2 yards on the play.
Following the ball carrier.
Now pushed down.
Knocked out of bounds by Sider and Alley. Pull-off spot was taken by Kramer.
The Cavaliers to give it off to George. He's managed to throw it to about the 35-yard line.
Number 35, George, the ball carrier.
Back to Maple to Marion Beach. That's by Russ.
2, 8, 7, 8, 5.
Tries to get it upfield. Lost his footing and went down. Alan Linden was in there on the play. Reducing the quick count. Straight back to throw. Looks upfield.
Pass intended for Pickman. Incomplete.
Stop the clock. It's going to be a fake. It's ball to Harding. Harding is going to be close to the first down. Wait to see what the officials were.
Harding's the ball carrier.
Trying to take punt. Short snap came off to Harding. And the officials say, I think he's going to be short. I'm going to ask for the measurement.
Harding's the ball carrier on the fake punt. Timeout officials.
They snapped it to him. Tried to get it up the right side on the fake punt. Bring up the chains and call for the measurement. Measurement, stop 418. Being stretched, it's going to be about a half a yard short. The Flyer defense holds. Now give the football back.
The Flyers take over on down.
He sets down the offensive unit. And Dresch just outside. He doesn't take the count. Not bad.
Flags stop the play.
He doesn't take the count. Jumped offside. Going to give Flyers a 5-yard break.
Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget the boosters playing tonight. Those who have first choice for the tickets are those couples who went last year.
4 minutes and 3 seconds for this third period.
This begins tonight on October 13th.
So we left. First in a long count again. Farley was stacked up.
Farley was the ball carrier.
Side that time. Came to Bill Holmes outside. There's Cody in motion now on the left side. Looks to throw. Looks upfield. Got it on time. Rolls to the right side. Across the 30, up to the 35. Farley run out of bounds. pick up about three on the play. That'll make it a third down now and 3. Ball at the 30. Line up just inside of him. Sets him down. Goes for a long count again. On the draw play. Gives it off to
Number 41, Hardy, right there, on the ground.
Well, he
Just had one block earlier. Plenty of time to get it off this time. Very good kick. Left side, off the side of his foot, hits the pretty guy right on the roll, and it's out of bounds. That's a big deal. Cavaliers will take it.
Cross, right,
Leading
is down.
27 to
running with it, Jack.
right side. Deuce with a quick count. Takes the first man deep. Second man goes upfield. Ball was thrown behind him. Got turned, trying to grab the football.
This pass was intended for Mendenhall. Covering.
Delta. 13-yard penalty against the Cavaliers. Count. Wide pitch goes to Olsen.
Olsen along there.
Fire defense is there. As we head up.
24.
Maryland Junior, lovely secretary. 43 years old. Pass upfield and took out there to the tight end.
Pass intended for number 81, 2, 8811.
Time, pump punch goes upfield. Way over for the intended receiver out there.
Pass was intended
For Darren Dresch.
for Dresch.
Oh, 56. Might get rid of it again. They can't get rid of it, I'll just make it
35 31-yard line.
30. Wait, where do you start from? 30 at the top.
Sets him down, goes the long count. Handball. Taking the snap. And Bill Holman. Holman trying to push back. Toby left, Elmer's right. In the long count, goes left side, pitch. Goes up to the front of the pitch. And ball in that running back position. Down as he gets it up to the
To be donated to Dresch, who won the Buckner Rally Professor. How about that? Behind Cornell Steinbrenner. Passes from 8 to 89, Steve Wilker.
36. I was playing defensive
Basketball carrier, defense box in the press box. By stocking half.
Down to 53 shots. Down, yeah.
Off that start, stops the play, brings the ball in.
In motion comes Toby. And off goes to Turner. One play. Make it start down to 15.
Turner the ball carrier.
In motion comes Toby. Back to throw.
Turner sacks 13 in the backfield.
Wide open shot at him. Knocking down
The ball is spotted on the 34-yard line for the Flyers. The score, St. Mary's 26, Shawnee 27.
Pull-up is up in the air. It's going to be taken by Kramer at the 20. Looks like the left side. Across the 30 to the 35 and finally knocked down just over.
Kramer took 6, took it off, pick.
Cavaliers.
The illegal use of the hands against the Cavaliers.
They'll bring it back to about the 16-17 yard line. Cavaliers will take over.
Moves the ball back to about the 16-yard line.
9 minutes and 40 beside his time to jet with. Duke back to throw. Looks upfield. Goes to the right side. For the intended receiver, he was getting upfield and just fell down. Deuce back to throw. He looks upfield.
Knocked down by Eichler. Third down and 5.
Toby. Direction, but off the Toby cuts it up there. He's going to go inside the pin, knocked down about the 7-yard line.
Number 11, Toby.
He came to the right side, he had a big hole, and kept looking for her. Gets it off to the second man, too, that's Kramer. Gets it off across the 5-yard line, to about the 4.5.
Kramer the ball carrier. Stopped by Holman and Seafried. The ball's over the 5, perhaps from the 5.
Kramer again. Long count. Makes it inside. Cuts across the middle. Pass is intended for Toby.
50's pass was intended for number 11, Toby.
Third down and 5.
Eichler and runs on the stop, drawing the ball loose. Third down.
In motion comes Toby. Wide pitch. Off the head.
First and 10. Boyd is in at quarterback. Third to ball carrier. No ball carrier stopped by Harding. Number 28, Kramer, down the ball. Pass complete to Edwards. Defense by Seibert and Sebring.
Well, we've got a penalty flag down here from Randall Flyers on football. Jennifer's had it come away to probably pull out a defensive captain. That's all it is. Illegal penalty for Flyers.
Against clearing 5-yard Illinois off back to the 30-yard line.
Flyers have the first and 15 at the midfield. First back to throw. He's got French.
27, Mr. 20. Third quarter score pass.
That's almost right.
Particularly,
Long count. Goes to the left side, hitting up down. Defensive penetration by Dresch. He did an outstanding job in that left defensive end position. He hasn't done quite again tonight. A funny situation. Ross will do the argument. High punch. Real deep. He hit at about the 28-yard line. Ball forward, still rolling. And he finally blown get it to the 22-yard line of the Panthers. Take over the
Is down on the 22. We have turned into the press box. So Quartz, Corval, Rockwell, Lane. Pitch out to Wilson. Holding and Conley on the stop.
That's Wilson once again, hit nice down, the ball came loose, his name got it, and this will be very close to football.
A fumble on the handoff, with the players at the ground.
Carline is also.
We bring Neil Taylor to Sherry.
It's called on it. Flyers will get it back with 1:15 to go.
Yeah, we have to now. Oh, later?
Got anything different, Flyers come out, Elmer's left, Toby right, working the throw, looks upfield. Still down, still down. Off to George, takes it now, takes it himself, it's up to about the 25-yard line for a pickup of field. That'll make it now.
That's got the quarter, about the 25-yard line, a pickup of 5. A pickup of 16
Jack, are you going to go home?
Yeah, I guess.